Hey guys, Rock Solid Passion. I'm back with another awesome find. The find of the day. And this one, I know I always say I'm excited, but I really am excited because I haven't found one of these before, and I'm stoked. This is, not exactly sure. I think it could have been, a piece of coral, or even maybe a branch. Some kind of fossil. I can see the lines in there, the texture, and it looks like there's two. One here, and then one here. There we go. Get it to focus. Yeah, so at first I thought it was going to be like a type of a horn coral, something like that, because the shape, I saw the shape, and then I saw the lines on it, and I was like, well, maybe it's a, I had to stop and go look at the name of it. I could not think of the name of it, and it was driving me nuts. Calamites. I know this, but for some reason my brain just wasn't working today. So, that's what I'm thinking this is the stem of the calamite. When I was looking up the name, I was also looking up the images too at the end here. And it looked like it fit it to a T to me. Yeah, I thought that was a really cool find. It was all covered with, ugh, all that slimy stuff this time of year when the water goes down and it leaves behind that white kind of film or whatever. I thought it was really cool how you could see inside right here too. It looks like that was a pretty recent break. That little end piece there on this. And I believe there's two of them because I can see some very faint lines going this way on this one. Let's see if I can get it close enough in focus. There we go. You see the lines going east and west? So I believe there's this calamite and then there's another one on top. And the other ones that I have found have been like that too, where it's been multiples stacked on each other because they were, similar to cattails and they grew in swampy areas, so there was a whole, clusters of them growing together. So, I was just super excited and wanted to share that with you guys. Find of the day.